Welcome to the Shi Universe Smart Contract Security Audit conducted by AuditOne. Shi Universe is a gaming NFT platform built on IOTA, featuring a variety of raters as NFTs. The platform offers an engaging experience with characters set in a spaceship ambiance. Shi Universe aims to combine the excitement of gaming with the unique attributes of NFTs, providing players with an immersive and enjoyable experience. Shi Universe smart contracts were audited between July 11th and July 25th, 2024 by AuditOne, 0x Rizwan, and X0F Unit. The audit finished with the following scores: security score, 99.8%, documentation quality, 95%, code quality, 95%. Let's review the issues identified in Shi Universe's smart contracts. Loss of royalty payment in ShiWiz.sol. Consider implementing receive and payout functions to receive and withdraw native ETH royalty payments. Consider below changes in ERC 721 owner prement limited supply.sol. The remove from RNG function will not revert if the ID is not found. It is recommended that the remove from RNG function verbosely reverts if the ID is not found. Minting NFTs to contract address will fail in owner mint functions. Use safe mint instead of mint. Empty tokenids is not checked. It's recommended to check whether the tokenids is empty prior to executing the rest of the function's logic. Lack of compatibility with multi-signature wallets. Allow the interaction with smart contracts controlling all undesired aspects involved in the interaction with external contracts. Multiple centralization risks. It is recommended to limit the actions that can be performed by privileged users to the bare minimum in order to reduce any plausible centralization risk. Lack of input validation in set release time function. Validate the input values of timestamp to prevent that invalid values are used, especially when setting values lower than block timestamp. High max supply values could cause the contract to revert. It is recommended to cap the max supply to values that will not cause any call to revert or limit the unbounded array iterations. Lack of access control and add capacity function. If the ERC 721 limited supply contract is not intended to be deployed on its own, marking it as abstract is highly recommended. In addition, when implementing these functions that are supposed to be overridden, it is recommended to implement them as internal functions and create public or external endpoints in the inheriting contract along with the needed checks. Centralization risk. It is recommended to implement a more decentralized or multi-signature mechanism for fund withdrawals. We're excited to share that the Shi Universe smart contracts have undergone significant security enhancements following our recent audit. The Shi Universe team has effectively resolved all major vulnerabilities and mitigated potential risks identified by our experts. To dive deeper into the details, check out our full report, AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.